and welcome to Automation Fair 2022 in Chicago. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner network magazine. This is the show to be at if you want to see the top companies in industrial automation, and one of those companies is EPLAN Software and Service. I'm here with Jeff Kilborn. Jeff, tell us about what EPLAN does.
So EPLAN is an engineering software. It resides on top of a common data model, and we have different aspects of the platform to serve all needs of industrial automation, from schematics, electrical schematics, to pneumatic hydraulic schematics, 3D paneled layouts, creating a digital twin, and all of it's powered by that common data model, which really eliminates a lot of the inefficiencies we see in the typical automation solution. Yeah.
And you guys are a digital partner with Rockwell Automation. How does that help your customers?
Yeah, we're very proud to be a founding member of the Digital Partner Program, and I think that speaks to the value that collectively we provide to our customers. You know, we are now 3 years into that. That was in 2019, and now we're showcasing in the Cloud Pavilion at Rockwell our integration to their Factory Talk Design Hub, where we're really trying to bring all the design elements together. And this is what Rockwell's goal was, really at the Digital Partner Program level. Additionally, we've got some integration between the Emulate 3D software of Rockwell, so that's showcased as well here at the show. And then, you know, just our general go-to-market strategy, which we talk about, you know, the industrial ecosystem of automation, bringing all stakeholders together. So we've launched our new platform 2023 this just a couple months ago, and we're showcasing that here. And what you have in there is a lot of built-in cloud solutions to help customers talk to each other, to help all the stakeholders of an automation project very efficiently, very frictionless and elegant solution to allow them to speed up an automation project. And I think all of this speaks together with what we're doing with Rockwell, is all about, you know, shortening cycle times, decreasing time to market for solutions, and making it, you know, bringing the power of the technology partners together of Rockwell, and we're proud to be part of it. Yeah.
And there are a lot of people in your booth here. There's a lot of excitement. What are they looking at? What are you highlighting specifically?
So one of the specific things I would love people to come see is our smart wiring technology. So we're here with our sister company Rockwell, and they have a wiring machine where we automate the fabrication of the wire, including cutting to length, stripping it, treating the end, marking it. And then our smart wiring solution from EPLAN helps you know where to land those wires, so you can look at that 3D twin model and have a step-by-step ability to land the wires. And you know, the old way is you print it out a schematic and you use a highlighter to highlight what you've done. Now we've really digitized that, and it's really a great solution. We have a lot of customers adopting it now, and it's something to see. So come on over and see us. Yeah.
Well, that's very innovative and very powerful, and there's a lot more to see here at the EPLAN booth. So go to the URL you see on your screen to go to the website and learn a lot more about how they can help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the Automation Fair 2022. We'll talk again.